Hello and welcome to my channel. Today we've got this here, a DCF 887, and I'm going to show you the problem with this one. There's a bit of a mess in the switch, and the way to fix that is quite simply this: electrical contact cleaner. That's the magical spray. Fear is the mind killer. Contact cleaner is a Dewalt saver.